Did that come out this way?
Right this way.
Right here. You got it. Work it out. There you go.
Reverse.
Right here. Drop it. Come up this. We're going to make a tight turn and drop down in. We're going to take one back to get lined up to two, all right? Come on. Let it fall. Down? Yep. You got that point right. This is the other right. There you go. Now stop. Back up.
Reverse one.
There you go. Trust it. Don't hit the gate. You're going to come right towards my winch stick here. Okay. We're going to hug tight to the top of this point.
Progress 2.
Got it. Okay. Work it out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There you go.
Reverse.
Stay high. Yep, not on it. Not on it. Yep, there you go. There you go. There you go. Yep, yep. Point coming out. There you go. There you go. All right, restart.
Driver coming through. Driver on course.
Get lined up. It's a good square. Hey, bud, he's coming right through here. Yeah. There you go. Nice. I got it. I got it. You got it. Trust it. Good job.
Progress 3.
This is the pool with the bone.
Right.
So come up this way. I want you to be able to be aimed a little bit towards the outside, just in case you got to bail. Okay. If you're going to bail, take the outside gate and just miss this boundary.
That's it.
Good job. Trust it. Don't stop. You got it. Trust it. Don't stop it. There you go. There you go. Now turn out. Turn out. Turn out. Turn out.
Progress 4.
Got it. Got it. Good job. Okay, come out. Come up this way. You're going to keep your passenger side tire close in here, okay, so you can climb up there without hitting the bumper. All right?
We got plenty of time.
Out, out, out. There you go. Now turn.
350.
Yeah. Good job. There you go. There you go. All right, we're going to come out.
Progress 5. Behind you.
Watch this muck. If you come out here, you got it.
How's it going, everybody good?
Trust the portal. There you go. Now come out. Out, out, out. Come. Yep, cut it hard. I got you. Keep cutting. Keep cutting. There you go. Keep cutting. We need to get your passenger side tire to climb this rock. Watch the bumper. Oh, that bumper. Got it. You haven't touched the gate yet.
Reverse 1.
Make it count. Back up a little bit more. Further, 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 further. Now drop. Now turn. Yep. Turn passenger. Now turn driver. There you go. You got it. You got it. Perfect. Good job. That's it. Driving 7.
Plenty of time. 2 minutes.
You got it. Okay. You got it.
Progress.
All right, winch and move. Let's go. Coming up at 8 back. Take time through here. Keep coming. Keep coming. Take time. What's time, George? 1:30. Yep, we got time. Nice, nice. There you go. That's okay. Come on. Come on. Ah, that's all right. That's all right. We're gonna finish.
Yes, we are. Ah, shit.
You do your best to prove me wrong, but let's do it. That's okay. Make it count. You got it. Stop that. We're gonna roll over. Come roll over right now. Like we roll the truck, roll over, so you don't fall. Now back out. Take another back. Oh, touch. Put your point out this point this way. Nope, turn
Or
around.
any way you want.
Yep. Put your back tires there.
Just hold out, stop that.
Hang on.
I heard the beep after I heard the bump.
Got a minute to get there.
You got plenty of time. Check your points on.
You got one more gate.
One more gate. It has 10 points.
You're at about 51.
51. Okay.
That's not bad.
Right. Come down right where I'm at. Right through here. Nice, easy. A little bit of momentum to climb up here. Watch out. There you go. There you go. Pull winch so we don't hit the gate. What? How much time?
30 seconds.
Come on, pull winch. How much time?
We got 20 seconds.
Ooh.
Got it. Go.
Got it.
8 seconds.
Good work. Good drive. It's gonna start falling. Would you like to discuss your first scratch? Take the back, it's cheaper at the gate.
Yeah, we're ready. I was going to say, one way or another today, dude.
Fast again if you need to. There you go. Progress. Save yourself a bunch of points. Number 3 is you're up and the bottom away from the coastline. Winch it? Yeah. You're lined up so the winch line is nice and straight between us. That's okay. You can winch from there if you need to. All the way to me. Winch up. There you go. Keep winching. Yeah. Watch the winch line and the gate, okay? Turn. There you go. Stop. Disconnect. 4 is the down, and we're going to hit the bonus.
Three minutes left, Tyler.
Thank you. Good job. Down to the bonus.
Hustle.
Stay high. Turn up. Get through. Time, Judge?
Yeah, 2 minutes, 15 seconds.
Okay. There you go. Good. You gonna do the bonus?
No.
There you go. Stop. Winch. Winch all the way through both of these. No, not worth it. You need these eyes.
Yeah.
Alright, go, go, go. Stop. Okay.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
1 minute 30? 1 minute 30. Lots of time, man. Nice drive. Nice drive. Driver. There you go. Slow. Wiggle, wiggle. Okay. There you go. Come passenger. There you go. Now, come out and
Yeah, right.
you. Well,
Yeah, 45 seconds.
hurry, hurry, hurry. Down and up. Time, Judge? 32. Lots and lots of time. Slow. There you go. Lots of time. Get where you can see the skate.
20 seconds.
We could take a nap. Do I even need to watch? Or... We should have just looked away now. Let it roll down.
11 seconds left.